Welcome to the August 2023 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, join the Hausnecht family's septic journey with Sunset Septic in Rolling Prairie, Indiana. See how John and Gail Hausnecht revitalized their business from scratch, swapping outdated vacuum trucks for a versatile semi-trailer setup. Innovative thinking and efficient equipment choices turned a stagnant pumping business into a flourishing enterprise. Ever felt the crunch of booming demand while your workforce dwindles? So did an on-site system installer. But guess who's stepping in? Skilled veterans. Discover how military experience aligns with wastewater tasks, why veterans excel in outdoor roles, and how your company can tap into this talent pool. Ever wondered how even wastewater distribution is in your systems? Turns out, it's not always as even as you'd hope. Learn why uneven distribution can spell trouble, leading to system inefficiency and groundwater contamination. Advanced treatment units have redefined wastewater treatment. Check out these innovative designs that cater to diverse commercial and residential needs. Experience the resilient revival of Despacito's Seafood Shack after facing COVID-19 challenges and ownership changes. Witness how installer Scott Blaney overcame regulatory and environmental obstacles, utilizing precision control panels to create a massive and efficient wastewater treatment system for this iconic restaurant. From innovative sand filters to nitrogen-reducing systems, these game-changing technologies offer efficient and scalable wastewater treatment. Lawmakers in Michigan are taking action to create a statewide septic code to reduce bacterial contamination in waterways. Learn about the bill's provisions and their potential impact on the wastewater industry. From Arizona's housing development to Alabama's eco-friendly ATU solution and Michigan's McDonald's revival, explore real-world wastewater triumphs in these case studies. Meet Jake Bell, co-owner of Bell Excavating in Stillwater, Minnesota. As a Minnesota On-Site Wastewater Association board member, he champions networking and industry education. Ken and Peggy Miller innovated a solution for failing septic systems, the Earthbuster. Using compressed air, this deep soil decompactor revives biomatted drainfields by enhancing fluid and airflow, preventing costly replacements. Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com and tell Jim what you want to see. Thanks for watching and see you next month.